I just got back from the grocery store. Wearing my big Charlene bag. Good morning, you guys. So I had a late start to my day today, and honestly, I've been procrastinating cleaning our apartment for like the past week. Today is Sunday, so every Sunday I like to do a Sunday reset and prep for my week. I like to do a total deep clean of the house, do all the chores I've been procrastinating doing, and I skipped last week, so I'm in desperate need of a little catch up and a little reset in our apartment. So today I'm gonna make it my goal to get done everything I've been procrastinating on doing. So I'm gonna do my laundry, I'm gonna mop, I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna sweep, I'm gonna go get groceries. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to do a little grocery haul. Every single day, no matter what, I start by making my bed, and that's just the first thing I do every day. I don't even mind doing it. It just makes me feel like I've at least accomplished something, and then I go get a coffee. So before I do that, I'm gonna journal and make a list of everything I wanna get done today. Then we're gonna go get coffee and we're gonna go get groceries and get the day started. Literally forgot to introduce myself. I'm Lydia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. I go through phases where I love journaling, and I have my gratitude journal, and every time I do this, I really do notice a change in my mood. So I'm gonna journal for a bit. And then this is my organizer. I've talked about it on my channel before. I love this. I'm just gonna write down everything I need to do this month. I have a lot of videos I need to plan for brand deals, and I am starting a new job in a week, so I need to fill in my schedule for that, and I'm really nervous. I also wanted to show you guys, I picked up a new book yesterday, and I'm gonna make it a goal to read before bed now. So this is just called The People We Met on Vacation. Last night I read 20 pages. I'm finding it kind of hard to get into. Now, since it is almost the end of the month, at the beginning of every month, I like to make a little list of all the goals I want to achieve and stay focused on and be mindful. So every time I open my journal, the first thing I see is my goals for the month, and I constantly am reminded of what I'm working towards and what I'm focused on. So this is my April one. I'm going to make one for May. Now that I'm done journaling, I'm gonna head to the grocery store, get my coffee, and I'll come back and show you guys what I get for groceries. Sundays, I always like to clean out my fridge and clear out whatever I have from the week before, so we're gonna do that too. So before I put my groceries away, I'm just gonna show you, I got an iced coffee with no classic, coconut milk, and I added a pack of stevia. Also, my nail broke yesterday, and I'm so sad. Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store, and Sundays are always insane and the worst day to go, but I just sorted my groceries, and I'm gonna show you guys kind of the meal ideas I had for the week. I'm gonna snack on some grapes, some bananas. They had these super cute Pillsbury cookies, so I had to pick those up. I am obsessed with candles, and anytime I go down the aisle, I end up buying one. This one smells so good. I picked up a mini bottle of my favorite coconut conditioner. It's out of makeup wipes. I got a little bit of ginger because I want to try to make ginger shots this week. I probably should have gotten lemon for that. Almond milk, I like to put this in my coffee and in my oats. I just picked up a little thing of Italian style chicken. I'll probably add that to a stir fry. And I just got some red peppers, tomatoes, and onion for tacos and maybe a chili. If I end up making soup, I'll chop up this turnip, add some onion, and then I got sweet potato to bake to add to salads, and then I was out of oregano and I add this to soups. Then every time I get gum, I get a sweet pack, and then I also get a minty pack because depending on the mood I'm in, I like different flavors. Before I go put this away, I'm gonna clean out the fridge. So our fridge is literally a mess right now. There's like tons of coffee on the bottom. I do clean this every Sunday, but it still gets so messy throughout the week. So I'm just gonna scrub this down with some dish soap and then put in my new clean groceries. And then I also like to clean the organizer. Just went through and got rid of everything that's not good anymore and organized it. okay, but I literally hate mopping. Every time I mop, I literally take everything in my room and just shove it into our closet so I can actually like mop the entire area without a bunch of stuff being in my way. Fun fact about me is I literally ended up quitting a job because I was working at like a Chinese food restaurant and they asked me to mop the entire floor with like actual bleach, and that was like dining room, the kitchen, literally the entire area, and it was huge. Like I had to scrub underneath all of the equipment, move all of the equipment, like move all of the cooking stuff. It was like my second shift and I ended up quitting and I never came back because there was no way I was gonna do that. If you know me, you know I had like an insane fear of like chemicals and stuff, so that was not gonna work for me. Also, I've never heard of someone mopping the floor with bleach, so I don't know. Feeling super productive. I just finished scrubbing out the bathroom, the shower. I swept, I mopped, I sorted the laundry with a duster. I cleaned all of the mirrors, I cleaned all of the windows, so we're doing good so far. Also, another reason why I always like doing this on Sundays is because Thomas is always at soccer, so I have the entire house. So like when I mop, I don't have to worry about him coming in and walking all over everything. It just works a lot better when it's just me here. Also, I just finished changing the garbages, but I'm gonna wait until he gets home to take it over me because that is the one thing I literally can't stand doing is taking out the garbages. Okay, so one of my friends just asked me to go help her move out of her residence. I'm gonna go help her do that because it's all about balance. So I was gonna go do a workout, but I'm gonna go help her because that's more important to me. I'm gonna take over a load of laundry and then I'll switch it on my way back, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. All right, now that I'm done cleaning for the day, I decided to get ready. Finally changed into some cute clothes. So I'm just wearing this new top I got from H&M, my black Lulu Alliance. Just wearing my big Charlene bag. I love this bag for the car. And yeah, so that's my outfit for the day. So I never film at the gym because I just find it disrespectful for those working out and who want their privacy. Sorry if that bothers you guys. I just like don't want to invade anyone's privacy. So when I say I've been procrastinating chores, this is what I mean. This is literally your laundry bin right now, and we're gonna deal with this today. Lately, I've been going to the gym with my best friend every single day, and she's actually in Toronto right now, so we can't go together. I used to love going to the gym alone, and now I'm like so sad she's not gonna be with me. But I'm gonna force myself to go anyways. I'm just wearing my matching Lululemon tank and leggings. I'm the girl who goes to the gym with a full face of makeup on. It actually motivates me to work out. I feel like I actually look decent. I'm gonna have one of these and I'm gonna go for a run. Also, I don't want anyone who watches my videos to like see me working out in a lot of them and not think that I have rest days. Sometimes when I'm watching these type of videos and I see people working out and then it's my rest day, I feel like I'm not doing enough because sometimes people don't include that in their videos. And I only want to promote positivity in my videos. I just want everyone to know who's watching this that if it's your rest day, enjoy your rest day. Like, don't feel like you have to go work out just because you're seeing other people working out and stuff. And that's probably the biggest thing I would recommend for anyone on a health or fitness journey is to let yourself rest when you feel like you need it. Like today I had a lot of energy, so I went, but yesterday I did nothing. I did no exercise, and that's why I have energy today. Whereas if it was the other way around, I may not have come today. So I just want to put that out there and remind you guys. So last night I ended up coming home, having a super nice self-care night. I had like a super long shower, exfoliated, my skincare routine, and then I ended up just watching Selling Sunset because that is my absolute favorite show right now. I went to bed in my nice, freshly washed, clean sheets, and that's all for my Sunday reset. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment down below if you have any tips and tricks that help you stay on task or what your favorite thing to do is for your Sunday reset. I post new videos every Saturday and Wednesday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.